racing, but it's this lever here. I've taken the handbrake off because it slips out of there and that hooks onto there, so I've removed that and this is the lever now. It's not too bad, look. I've sprayed some GT85 in there, started working it, and we'll see if we can get it to free it up a bit. So spray a bit more in there. It's only a temporary measure because Ivecos tend to get through calipers like there's no tomorrow, but it just appears to be. So all I'm doing with that is just working that. That's a wee bit stiff, look. Alright. Right, this is a quick fix. Handbrake cable, I've greased it, sprayed it with the GT85, and what I've done under here now is I've double springed it there. So if I just show you, there, see that there, look? 2 springs instead of 1. Handbrake fully on, not turning, that pulled in. Handbrake released, pulls it back a lot further, look, there's no play in that at all, and back to how it was. So hopefully that'll be a little quick fix that'll keep me going a bit longer before I have to replace a caliper if there's anything sticking again.